This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Homebrew. So Homebrew is known as the missing package manager for macOS or Linux, in brackets as we see at the top there. I am right here on the main downloads page. You can find it at brew.sh. I'll include all of the links I cover here in the video description, so you can just click on those links and wind up on these pages, and just saves you a lot of searching. So a couple of different ways, actually a few different ways that we can install Homebrew. The most simple one is just to copy and paste by clicking here. That has now copied to the clipboard, so I can literally just paste this little bit of code into macOS terminal or Linux shell prompt. So if you're familiar with the command line, I'll show you that. Okay, so I've just come out of, I've just sort of backed out of Chrome, and now I'll show you how to find a terminal. So if you're unfamiliar, we click apps here in the dock. A few different ways to find applications, but the easiest way is here on the dock, we click on apps, and then we're literally just going to search for ter or term, and it will come up with terminal right here. It's this one here, this black screen with the command prompt. So we just click on that, and just like that, the terminal opens up. And I'll just make that screen slightly bigger. And then to install Homebrew, if you don't already have it, you're just going to paste in that little bit of code. So again, this is this code, I've copied it and I've pasted it here. And then you just press enter, and that will install Homebrew on your Mac. Now, I'm not going to do that right here as I do already have Homebrew on this Mac. Now, another way that you can actually get Homebrew or the latest version is this right here. So github.com. And this extra long URL here, of course, like I say, I'll put that in the video description, so you can just click that and come here. Now, this is regularly updated. These were updated actually yesterday. So this is the latest version of Homebrew, courtesy of GitHub. This is the main Homebrew account, so it's all legit. You can download the package here, the package file, or a zip, depending on what you want. You can put your poison here. You're literally just going to click there, and you see that the icon flies up in the top right corner, and we see it go to downloads folder there. It just hovered there for a minute. That is the universal symbol that's something that's downloaded on a Mac. If you're unfamiliar with your downloads location, I'm right here on Google Chrome on this Mac, and so everything goes to the main downloads folder. Depending on your browser configuration and setup, you might be have yours in a different location, but you can just find install the package from there, and you would then have Homebrew. So Homebrew's super useful. I won't go into all the ins and outs here, as you obviously know why you want Homebrew on your Mac. Hopefully this video on how to find and install Homebrew on your Mac has been helpful. Hopefully it's been useful for you. If it has, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.